I normally try to keep my videos down to about 10 minutes, but I couldn't find a convenient stopping point, and that's solar. So I apologize for a very long introductory video. Guarantee this one's going to be a lot shorter for reasons that I'll tell you in just a minute. So just like we started by looking where the solar was good in the country, let's look where the wind is good in the country. And so on this scale, green is bad because you can see that's relatively low wind speeds. And then as you get up into the more vibrant colors, so to speak, you're looking at higher wind speeds. And so this is in meters per second, which you can double it and then a little bit more to come up with miles per hour. But what you really see is right here is the wind heartland of America. Start in the panhandle of Texas and basically go due north through Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and then into Iowa and into the corner of Minnesota, and then over also into Wyoming. And you can see that this is where the wind resource is the greatest. Well, pejoratively, what's this part of the country often referred to? Flyover country. Why is it called flyover country? Because not that many people live there. Where do the U.S. populations live? Well, it's heavily in the coastal areas, not completely, but heavily in the coastal areas. So we see that part of the problem here is that where the wind is the best isn't always where the people are. And we're going to see that in our discussion as we get into offshore wind and why offshore wind is a very interesting potential. I'm going to very quickly wrap up this video, and then I want you to click on the next two links in the content. There are two YouTube videos. The first is about the technology of a wind turbine, and this is going to explain to you a little bit about how a wind turbine works so that you just have an understanding of the mechanical operation. The second video I want you to watch is just a time lapse of a wind farm being constructed, and you can see how they assemble it and get a sense of the very massive sizes that are involved. So I want you to watch both those videos and then jump into my next video as we'll talk about what we learned.